Welcome to the WSIC demonstration video. In this video, you will learn how to use the downloading functionality in our dashboards through 3 practical scenarios. These tips will help you quickly access and share insights. Scenario number 1. Dementia Radar. Goal: view the top 20 patients with the highest number of non-elective admissions using image, PowerPoint, PDF and Crosstab options. Apply non-elective admissions using sort by filter and set sort order to descending. Enter 20 in the patients field to display the top 20 patients. Go to download, select image. The image format allows capturing a screenshot of the current view, limited to what is visible, ideal for quick sharing. PowerPoint. Choose PowerPoint. Change to specific sheets from this dashboard and select only Radar. Click Download. This is how the list of the Dementia Radar patients looked in the PowerPoint format. It includes all 20 patients and not just a screenshot. PDF is similar to PowerPoint. Select PDF. Go to specific sheets from this dashboard and select Reset. Search for Radar and highlight it. You can customize scaling, page size, and orientation. Due to the Radar format, I will change it to landscape. This is how the selected patients list looks in the PDF format. Crosstab option. It exports data in Excel CSV for detailed analysis. Please click within the Radar area before downloading. This is so your area of interest is already highlighted when you select the Crosstab option. This is how the downloaded list of patients looks in the Crosstab downloading option. Scenario number 2. Frailty Escalating Risk Radar. Goal: export NHS numbers for all severely frail patients in your PCN using the data option. Select your PCN and filter for severe frail. Ensure that patients to show matches the total count here. If I now go to the download option, I can see that the data functionality is disabled. In order to activate it, I need to click within the Radar area. The data option is now available. You can unselect certain fields here and then go to download. You can use this format for pivot analysis or further filtering. Scenario number 3. Population overview. Goal: break down high-risk patients by Health Borough and age band using Crosstab. Filter for high-risk patients using the risk segment filter. Click within the table area, go to download and select Crosstab. The area of your interest should already be highlighted. Press download button. And this is a table showing a breakdown of high-risk patients by Health Borough and age band. Dummy data is used for this demonstration. For access or feedback, email nhs.nwl.wsic support@nhs.net. Thank you for watching.